While this may be a deal or maybe not a deal, here's another house walkthrough. Stand by. Let's get it. Hello guys, this is Ty, aka the Flip Man, and you asked for it, so I'm trying to do more of these. I couldn't do the actual walkthrough and record and me narrating because the actual sellers were there, and that wouldn't be businesslike. This is not HGTV. All right, so but this particular house, $110,000 neighborhood. Guy wants 60. That number really doesn't work, but it was enough for me to go out to take a look at it and hopefully get him down maybe another 20,000. Also, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, which the 2-bedroom eliminates a lot of opportunity there, but it is a great retail and rental area. When I say retail, I mean fix and flip area, along with the great rental area. Okay, so just doing a video of the exterior of the house. Just looking at the house at the bottom, wonder does it flood in this area, which is an issue, but not that big of an issue. Generally what I'll do is I'll walk around the house completely, and then I'll walk inside, trying to get a good view. There's a couple of reasons why I do the videos. The main reason is for potential buyers. I go out, shoot the video with my iPhone, with my smartphone, and I upload to YouTube. So whenever I send out this particular property to buyers, which I'll do multiples, quite a few at once, I'll send out in a text message format in most cases, and it'll basically say, hey, I have this house over in the Roebuck area. Would you be interested in it? It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm asking $55,000 for it. See a video at the, and the link will be below or whatever. So those that are interested, they'll respond back either by text or phone. So this simplifies the process, especially as the property is occupied, or if it's a situation where the owner won't give you keys. This helps you in the long run prevent people not being interested in it, because this video will give them a great idea of whether or not they're interested in the property or not, because if they see the video, I think I did a decent job. I'm not the greatest video man, but if they still want to see it after viewing the video, then they know your price. It's a strong possibility you have a deal in play. So just walking in here, this property the carpet will need to be replaced. They had a dog. The owners were not aware of them having a dog, which it didn't smell that way. And I'm, one of the people that can smell it immediately, because, dogs inside are not my thing. But this is the first bedroom when you walk in the back door of the house. That's the actual closet. Pretty decent sized bedroom, being it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the bathroom. Definitely, if it was going to be a retail fix and flip, the bathroom would have to be updated completely. This bedroom, that wood paneling wouldn't work. You would have to come back up with sheetrock. But as a rental, not much would need to be done to this particular house. So just to go over here into the kitchen is in pretty decent shape, decent amount of cabinet space. They're going to take the refrigerator and one of the light fixtures. The flooring would be okay, definitely for a rental, maybe even would pass for a retail fix and flip for this neighborhood. The range is there, maybe would have to replace that on a fix and flip, but for a rental, great. Has a dishwasher that will remain rental. Fix and flip, probably have to replace that. Go ahead and walk in the other bedroom here. And again, that paneling would have to go if you're going to do a fix and flip. So that gets into the cost and estimating whether you have an opportunity or not. So unless I could get him down to 40, maybe in the 30s, I don't know if I could do a retail wholesale to guys that want to fix and flip, because of just the minor updates that need to be done, but that'll get costly, with ripping out sheetrock and all that. And but the house is in livable shape, but it'll probably be a better rental. And like I said, this is a very strong rental market, and you shouldn't. I wouldn't have any issues getting rid of this if I can get the price I want. Like I said, the price that he gave me on the phone really doesn't work, but it's close enough for me to go out and maybe I can get him down another 20,000 or whatever. So again, this is just another walkthrough of a house. Said you want more of these. I couldn't do the actual narration while I was walking through. It just wouldn't look right with them being there, because that's not really why I'm there. I'm just doing this because I videoed it anyway, and just giving you an opportunity to see how I think about it. You know, I don't know everything. I'm just telling you how I think and how I approach things whenever I'm going out to look at a house and what I'm thinking about. So I'll follow back up with him in a couple of days. I'm not too sure he'll take the 40 that I'm going to probably offer him. I'll probably end up offering 35, and hopefully he'll come back up to 40 or whatever. So, but again, hey, another video of an actual walkthrough of a house. Hope this helps. Thanks, and I will see you on the flip side.